Welcome to I Know AI YouTube channel. AI isn't the future, it's now. In this video, we uncover 9 powerful AI skills that are building new millionaires in 2025. These aren't just tools, they're entire ways of thinking, working, and creating wealth. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or creative dreamer, now is the time to learn. So if that's something you are interested in, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you after intro.
Welcome back. So let's get started. Let me ask you something. What if the biggest opportunity of your lifetime was quietly happening right now, while most people are still distracted by old rules, outdated jobs, and scrolling mindlessly? What if the secret to building real wealth in 2025 isn't about working harder or longer hours, but about understanding how to think with AI instead of competing against it? In this video, I'm going to walk you through 9 essential AI skills that are turning everyday people into tomorrow's rich. And I don't just mean financially, but rich in time, purpose, and freedom. Stick with me, because this might just change how you see your future. Skill number 1, prompt engineering, the new language of wealth. In the old world, code was king. Today, language is. Prompt engineering is about communicating with AI clearly and effectively. Think of it like giving instructions to a superhuman assistant. It will do whatever you ask, but only if you know how to ask. I've seen people with no tech background earn thousands freelancing just by crafting prompts for clients who don't understand AI. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be curious enough to learn how to talk to machines that think. Skill number 2, AI-assisted business building. There was a time when starting a business required money, staff, and years of trial and error. Now, one person with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and a few no-code tools can launch an entire brand in a weekend. AI isn't just a tool, it's leverage. I've helped clients prototype digital products, build automated customer service, and test marketing campaigns, all in days, not months. The real skill? Learning to think like a founder while using AI to do the heavy lifting. Skill number 3, content creation with AI. We're living in the age of attention. The new oil is content, and AI is the refinery. Whether it's YouTube, podcasts, TikToks, or newsletters, AI can help you script, edit, design, and optimize faster than ever. But here's the key. People don't just want content, they want connection. The people winning today are those who can use AI to amplify their voice, not replace it. Blend creativity with consistency, and you'll have a formula for wealth that doesn't sleep. Skill number 4, data analysis for decision-making. We used to say, follow your gut, but in 2025, the winners are those who follow the data. AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT Advanced, or Python-based automations can help you process data and generate insights in seconds. I know a freelancer who turned her Etsy shop into a 6-figure business simply by analyzing customer reviews with AI, spotting trends even she didn't realize. Don't fear data. Use AI to read it like a map. Skill number 5, learning how to learn with AI. Ironically, one of the most powerful AI skills is learning how to learn in the age of AI. The truth is, no one knows exactly where this is going. But those who are adaptable, those who can ask better questions and retrain themselves quickly, will never be left behind. The greatest wealth comes from compounding knowledge. Use AI to study smarter, faster and deeper. Curiosity, paired with the right tools, is a superpower. Skill number 6, AI-powered design thinking. Design is no longer just for designers. With tools like Canva AI, DALLE, or Runway, anyone can create logos, ads, or entire product interfaces. But real value comes when you combine aesthetics with empathy. I can generate 1,000 options. The skill, knowing which one resonates with real people. Design thinking in 2025 isn't about pixels. It's about solving human problems with machine speed. Skill number 7, automation and systems thinking. Let's be honest, most people are overwhelmed, overworked, and overscheduled. But there's a small group, those who build systems using AI, that are quietly taking back their time. Imagine automating your marketing, scheduling, customer emails, or even daily decisions. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about creating systems that work when you don't. Learning automation is like hiring an army that never sleeps. Skill number 8, emotional intelligence in the age of AI. Here's something nobody tells you. The more AI does, the more your humanity becomes valuable. Empathy, active listening, deep thinking. These are the currencies of leadership in an AI-driven world. The CEOs, creators, and leaders of 2025 won't just be tech-savvy. They'll be emotionally grounded. In the rush to automate everything, the human touch becomes rare, and rare is valuable. Skill number 9, ethical thinking and AI stewardship. We can't talk about getting rich with AI without talking about responsibility. What you build, share, or teach with AI matters. The skill here is discernment, knowing when to use AI and when to pause, question, and reflect. The real leaders of this new era will be those who guide AI with wisdom, not just ambition. Because the future isn't just what AI builds, it's what we choose to do with it. Lastly, you don't need to master all 9 skills overnight. You just need to begin. Pick one, explore it, build something, reflect. This is your invitation, not just to learn AI, but to grow with it. Because the truth is, becoming rich in 2025 isn't just about knowing the right skills, it's about becoming the kind of person who sees opportunity when others see fear. And if you're still here, watching this video, that tells me you are already on the path. Now, which of the 9 skills are you learning first? Comment below, also like, subscribe, and share if this inspired you.